Sussex manufactures their taps here in Australia with an absolute commitment to quality. They are equally committed to design, innovation and a state-of-the-art manufacturing process. As a direct result of all this, they can offer you something no one else can. In their constant quest for improvement and refinement, Sussex Taps have developed Masterfit, the innovative plumbing component for their mixer systems. When up against conventional methods, Masterfit has proven its foolproof ability to drastically cut installation time. This great labour and cost-saving innovation is simplicity itself. Against the clock, savings in both time and money are a standout benefit of installing Masterfit as part of a Sussex mixer system. The mixer system simply fits into place, so precise measurements are no longer needed and the alignment takes care of itself. This is because Masterfit's compact design makes it an all-in-one unit, and this eliminates the distance between fittings. Masterfit is the strength behind the system.
Our family began manufacturing taps over 15 years ago, and our philosophy has always been based on quality. At Sussex, we're really proud to produce a quality that is second to none.
We make our taps from solid brass rods, which we extrude in our foundry right here in Melbourne. We then precision engineer our tap parts using CNC machines and robotics, which keep us manufacturing at a world-class standard.
The state-of-the-art manufacturing process employed by Sussex also incorporates an industry-leading recycling technique, which utilises all scrap brass. In the meantime, the rigorous quality control on all taps extends to the lustrous finish in world-class chrome. The team at Sussex Taps knew they had something special when they developed Masterfit. In quality and ease of installation, it is superior to anything else on the market today. Sussex Taps are a vision of refined style and are 100% Australian made. They give you the opportunity to offer the highest quality tapware to your customers for a competitive price. And because they're made locally, you will always get an on-the-spot response to anything you might require, including the option of 24-hour stock turnaround. You can see Masterfit means business, and it's also an excellent business decision. Not only will you save money on labour, you'll be installing a system that's made to last. Masterfit's wide range of configurations will allow you to offer more versatility in the choice of Sussex taps, mixers and finishing pieces. The Masterfit, like other Sussex tapware, is made standard from solid brass, a material that has proven to endure the tests of time. The Masterfit gives you a major profit incentive to offer your customers Sussex taps, along with the peace of mind that comes from great customer care, technical assistance and, of course, the top-shelf Australian-made quality. Sussex Taps are dedicated to producing the best quality taps in Australia, if not the world. You can install them with a confidence that will last. Sussex Taps. Australian made, world class.